Hi, I'm Terry from Ask Mr. Locksmith. Okay, I got the question is, can a credit card open a lock? Yeah, we see it on the TVs and the movies. You know, if you have a bathroom lock or a bedroom lock, the credit card may be able to open up the lock. Now, a deadbolt, the credit card can't open up the deadbolt because the bolt doesn't go back. And I have several videos where you can see the bolts and everything. But a credit card, yes, a credit card can open a lot of the simple locks, but not all locks. I have a lot of videos on how to make a Loid. So I take a milk jug or I take a plastic washer jug, and I cut it up to make a Loid. So answering your question, yeah, you can use a credit card, but there's better and easier things to use to slip the lock. Okay, if you have any questions, just please leave them in the comments. So put in the comment if you want me to do a video on a certain subject or a question you have. Just ask the question and I'll try to make a video for Ask Mr. Locksmith. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.